Hello, this is Joan of Art and I'm here at Campuestuhan Highland Resort, and it's a huge property with a lot of features. Last time I was here, this was King Kong. Now they call him Santa Kong. Looks like a really angry Santa King Kong. Santa Kong. Well. Okay, dinosaurs. Dinosaur photo booth. Eaten by dinosaurs. And more rides. Okay, that's the hybrid Viking ride. Scream all you like. It looks like a paragliding zipline ride, whatever. And that's supposed to be the longest rope course here. This is the swimming pool. So we're here at the shark wave pool. This place is flooded with tourists, mostly local tourists. Now this is the wave pool. The signal. It means that the waves are gonna come soon. Everyone is anticipating for the waves to come. Okay. That's a real wave. We moved here to a narrower strip when the waves are more concentrated and therefore stronger. Sadya! Sadya is Ilonggo for fun. And when you say it's kasadya, it's so fun. So let's have fun. Mag-sinadya kita. Mag-sinadya kita for now. Let's be a child again and woohoo! Just enjoy. Just enjoy the fun. Wow. Dinosaur land. Moving dinosaurs. Rams, Dino Park. Woohoo! Creepy! Scary! Hadlok! Kaladlukan! Hadlok! Scared! Hadlok! The Indian land. From the Shire, here, and then your neighbors will be the Indians. Alright. Okay, we are here now in the middle of Indian land. Ooh, they also have a spa here. It's changed so much with a lot of improvements, and there's Marilyn Monroe. Very Hollywood. And travel light. This is Joan of Art here at Campuestuhan. Let's have fun. Mag-sinadya kita dire. Until our next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.